In this video I will show you how to use the locator and why you should use it. To do this, we will go into the configure mode and select the second step. Place the target that you want to inspect in front of the vision sensor and use the software trigger button to take a new image. If you need a live image to position your target, you can also use the loop mode. The vision sensor will now continuously capture images and you can easily adjust the position as required. When you are happy with the position, click the Add Reference Image button. You are now in the second step of the locator. Here you need to mark parts of your target that are very characteristic with edges and high contrast. You can mark this part using the various mask tools. For our target, we will use the rectangle tool to select this part of the BNI. Now the Start Training button is enabled and we can start training. This is all we need to do. The beacon is now trained and we can test the result by activating the loop mode. Now you can move the target, and as you can see, the trained model will move with the target as long as the center of gravity and rotation of the trained model is within range. You can always go back to step 1 or 2 and change things to get a better model. After each change, you will need to train the tool again. It only takes 3 steps to configure the locator correctly, and it is also important to use a characteristic part of the tool. But now let's have a closer look on the locator and how it works. The locator is an edge-based pattern tool, which is used to track the target for the following analysis tools. Target tracking is very important in almost all the applications in the vision world. Every environment has small variations which affect the result of the analysis tools. The locator will track the target pixel perfectly for you. The locator works with an edge model, so it is important to select regions with many edges and high contrast. It's also advisable to be careful with rotationally symmetric parts and parts that occur more than once in your image, because this can lead to unwanted effects. Now you have a better understanding of image processing and we can have a look at the locator settings. The rotation range is a symmetric value that defines how far the target can be rotated before the tool can't find it. The smaller this value, the faster the tool will work. Then we have the minimal score. The minimal score is a threshold for the pattern model that defines how accurately the found target must match the trained one. The higher this value, the faster the tool will work. Sounds funny, but it's true because of the pyramid principle of this algorithm. Then there's the search area. The search area can be configured in the image or numerically in the tool. The smaller the area, the faster the tool will work. It is also important to keep this area as small as possible because of optical distortions and different reflections in different positions. As you can see, the locator is used in almost any application to get a good result, so have fun using it.